Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad and we're going to talk about XPAY. I'm only doing this video because I'm going to say don't buy this on the first day. I'm going to probably do another video either tomorrow or on Friday, but I can't make this up. I'm going to link the prospectus down below. You can go read this for yourself. And please, somebody read it and tell me I'm wrong, because I really want to be wrong on this. Again, I can't make this up. So let's talk about it. The strategy is going to target 20%, and it's going to return your capital to you, but you're going to have 20% distributions every year. Okay? That's what it says. They're going to write deep in the money cover calls just like XDTE. Okay? I got it. Simple enough. They're going to write deep in the money calls, and they're going to just pay you your money back. They're not selling any puts, call spreads. They're not selling any calls. They're just going to do a deep in the money poor man cover call and then give you back your money. So if this fund is successful, and this is exactly what they're doing, I'm starting a fund next week. Especially if people jump in and don't actually read the prospectus that I pinned down below. So they're just going to do deep in the money calls, and they're going to give you back your money every single month. Now, the poor man cover call, if they're rolling it this time without, let's just say if they're rolling it and taking the profits and just distributing to you, okay. If they're rolling it at how they can roll calls without incurring profits, then they're literally just giving you money back. So if you just want 20% and literally it says it's just going to return your money with S&P exposure, I'll take your money and I'll pay you back 1% or 1.5% or whatever it is a month. That's it. Somebody says, oh, it's just like XPAY. At least XPAY is getting 10 pips a day on their put call spread. And that makes sense to me. And especially on red days, because that put will become more valuable over time. So I get this. These guys are literally saying they're just going to give you your money back. And the only reason I'm doing this is because I saw somebody on Reddit say, oh, great, I can buy this one too. It has a lower fee. That's because they're not doing anything besides giving you your money back. I'll charge you a lower fee just to give you your money back. How about that? You're going to pay somebody money just to give you your money back monthly. Now, I might miss something, but it did not say they were going to write calls out of the money on a monthly, daily, weekly. They didn't say anything like that. All they said they were going to do was a poor man cover call and give you your money back. So don't jump in first day. I will do a follow-up video Thursday or Friday once I see if they make any intraday calls. And maybe they do. Or maybe they do a long call. Maybe they do. If they do, maybe this is something that we need to look at and jump into. But if they don't, I'll take your money and give it back to you. Anytime. Hey, until next time. God bless.